In this video, we're going to look at how to update the BobCAD-CAM software to the current update or current build. The first thing to do is to check and see which version of BobCAD you're currently running. So what you want to do is come to your desktop icon and launch the software. Now we can see that we're running version 23, but I'm not sure what build. To check this is pretty simple. We come up here to Help and then About. And we could see here the build number is 1463. So we'll click OK, and we'll close out of BobCAD. Now to check for an update, we need to go online, so I'm going to launch the Internet Explorer. Your browser may vary, you can use any web browser. Now you'll see, I'm going to type the address up here into the address bar where it says HTTP. This can't be typed into a search engine like Google or Yahoo. What you want to do is come right up to the address bar and type in BobCAD.com/updates. And that's plural with an S on the end, and it has to be typed in lowercase. Now you'll see here, this is the BobCAD-CAM update page. It contains both older versions and the current version of the system. The first thing that you'll see in this case is that there's a note for SolidWorks users. Now if you're running SolidWorks, you'll want to download and install a Windows update as well, which there's a link for here. Now if you're not running SolidWorks, which in this case we just want to grab the BobCAD update, there's a link down here. We could see that the current update is also 1465. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on the link that's below. It's going to give me an option to either run or save the file. Now this is a large file. You do not want to run this file. It's 220 megabytes in this case. So what you want to do is choose Save, and then you'll get prompted for a save location. Do not go save this inside of the BobCAD-CAM directory. That's probably a common mistake. What we'll want to do is probably save this to My Documents or the desktop. In this case, I'm going to choose My Documents. We could also get to that right from here. And you can see that the name is automatically assigned. We'll just go ahead and choose Save. Now this can take anywhere from 8 to 15 minutes right on up to a couple hours depending on your internet connection. Now I'm running a high-speed connection, so we can see it'll only take about maybe 7 or 8 minutes. Okay, now it's just about done downloading. So we'll give it another moment. Okay, and it's copying the files over now. Okay, now that it's complete, we can see that we get the choice to either run or open the folder. Now if you choose run at this point, it's okay. Or you could choose open folder to locate the folder where the update is. Now if you close the window by accident, you could still go get to the update. I'm going to go ahead and close the Internet Explorer, and I'm going to come to the Start menu and then go to My Documents. You might also have a shortcut on your desktop. Now I'm just going to go ahead and locate the BobCAD file, and there it is. BobCAD V23 build 1465 update.exe. Now to install the update, I'm simply going to double click this file. It's going to give us an option to either run or cancel. We do want to run this, so I'll go ahead and choose run, and this should start the installation. And then it'll ask us to click next and tell us about the version that we're installing, and it'll start the installation. And once it's complete installing, it'll pop up this window and allow us to finish. Now it does also ask you if you want to launch the video menu. If you choose yes, it'll bring up a series of videos that you could watch on how to use the BobCAD-CAM system or how to get started with it. Now if you want to access those videos, you can also access them through the Start menu. Go to All Programs, and then go to your BobCAD-CAM V23 folder, and you'll see that there's also a link here for the Getting Started videos. That concludes this video.